welcome to our presentation on technology integration in educational management, specifically focusing on ISO 21001. In this session, we'll explore how technology can be effectively integrated into educational management systems to enhance compliance with ISO 21001 standards and improve overall educational outcomes. In this session, we'll explore how technology can be effectively integrated into educational management systems to enhance compliance with ISO 21001 standards and improve overall educational outcomes. Technology integration refers to the incorporation of digital tools, systems, and platforms into educational processes and management systems. This includes the use of educational software, learning management systems, LMS, data analytics, communication tools, and other technologies to support teaching, learning, administration, and decision-making in educational institutions. Importance of technology integration. Technology integration plays a crucial role in enhancing the effectiveness of educational management systems in compliance with ISO 21001 standards. It enables educational institutions to streamline administrative processes, improve communication and collaboration, personalize learning experiences, analyze data to inform decision-making, and engage stakeholders more effectively. Key areas of technology integration. Technology can be integrated into various aspects of educational management, including curriculum development, instructional delivery, assessment practices, student support services, administrative processes, communication and collaboration, and performance monitoring. By leveraging technology in these areas, educational institutions can enhance efficiency, effectiveness, and accountability. Best practices for technology integration. Effective technology integration in educational management involves several best practices, including conducting needs assessments to identify technology requirements, selecting appropriate technologies that align with educational goals and objectives, providing training and support for staff and students, ensuring data security and privacy, evaluating the impact of technology use, and continuously refining technology strategies based on feedback and outcomes. Benefits of technology integration. The integration of technology into educational management systems offers numerous benefits, including increased efficiency and productivity, enhanced accessibility and flexibility, improved communication and collaboration, personalized learning experiences, data-driven decision-making, and greater transparency and accountability. In conclusion, technology integration plays a vital role in enhancing compliance with ISO 21001 standards and improving educational outcomes. By leveraging technology effectively, educational institutions can streamline processes, engage stakeholders, personalize learning experiences, and achieve their educational objectives more effectively and efficiently. Thank you for watching, and if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Thank you.